Kia ora to all our Glenavon whānau. John Hunt here, Principal of Glenavon School. We're looking forward to a fantastic year for 2000.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever.
I'll just keep rolling our box.
Yeah.
Rolling, okay?
Bottle a few times.
Yeah. Rachel, we're filming.
Take two.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
Hey guys, I want to introduce to you Team Hunt for Glenavon's Got Talent.
So you're going to jump up and you're going to play some drums, okay?
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
I mean, there's quite a leap there in your life from, you know, your description of digging holes to being a passionate teacher. Why did you become a teacher? What is it about teaching that kind of floats your boat?
For me, it is the opportunity to be that voice in someone else's life. And now here we are. And the amazing thing for me is I have this little kind of thing that I've committed to, that every day at school, I want to speak some kind of word into some student's life, whether it's just a, hey, stop and look at them in the eye and say, love having you at this school, or whether it's a, hey, I can see in you that you've got an amazing musical talent or sporting ability or that sort of thing. So for me, it is about the connection and that reciprocity with the kids.
One way you can show kindness is offering to help somebody else.
This is
Little
our packets
yellow
with the directors.